Melphyx, Sunken Desert, Blue Mudbeast, Mudbeast Den, Eggsterminator, Dimensional Vortex, Archaeofang Elder, Lost Sanctum.What, Steel Shade, Dimensional Vortex, Alabaster Shade, Dimensional Vortex, Zombor, Zenin Bridge, Flea, Fiend Lords Keep Fate Boss, Yakra, Manolia Cathedral, Meta Mutant Lower Body, Black Omen, Once King Dalton, Dimensional Vortex, Giga Mutant Upper Body, Black Omen, Nizbel, Reptite Lair, Master at Arms, Lost Sanctum, Giga Mutant Lower Body, Black Omen, our series, Derelict Factory, Guardian, Aristone, Atropos XR, Geno Dome, Goldhammer, Lost Sanctum, Meta Mutant Upper Body, Black Omen, Son of the Sun, Sun Palace, Golem Boss/Overlord, Blackbird, Elder Lavos Spawn, Black Omen, Archaeofang Younger, Lost Sanctum, Yakra XIII, Guardia Castle, Nizbel II, Tyranno Lair, Azala, Heckran, Heckran Cave, Golem, Ocean Palace, Cyrus, Northern Ruins, King Dalton, Slash, Magus Keep with Sword, Magus Castle unarmed, Tyranno, Giant's Claw, Bladesman, Lost Sanctum optional boss, New Master, Lost Sanctum. New Guardian. Lost Sanctum. Mammon Machine. Black Omen. Ozzie. Zenin Bridge, Fiend Lord's Key. Diva Flea. Ozzie's Fort. Dragon Tank. Guardia Castle. Mother Brain. Geno Dome. Queen Zeal. Black Omen. Giga Gaia. Mountain of Woe. Dream Devourer. Darkness at the End of Time. Black Tyranno. Tyranno Lair. Lavos. End of entire game. Magus. Fiend Lord's Keep, North Cape.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.